Thank you for visiting the CoinSeries channel again. Request from viewer is, what do you think will happen next? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSeries who came to our channel CoinSeries. You will always be info with the latest CoinSeries news. Option 1, will there be a settlement of XRP and XRP? Option 2, where XRP will win. Option 3, where SEC will win. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Today, we will be discussing Gary Gensler. As of now, the only thing preventing the US blockchain business from truly taking off is the departure of Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC. Gentlemen, I have some intriguing film clips that I would like to show you to prove that Gary Gensler's time on Earth is coming to an end. The Bitcoin industry has to know this. It's too good to miss. However, I would want to discuss XRP price charts and its potential in 2024. Do yourself a favor and watch the video until the end, when I tell you my honest opinion on where XRP can go and lay out the bullish scenario. Gentlemen, it's at the end. It is imperative that you view the entire video. Kathy Wood subtly broaches the subject of Gary's probable resignation from the SRC in this little excerpt I'd like to share with you beginning of the film. This demands your whole focus at this very now. The United States is about to become the dominant player in the Bitcoin sector, with only the CC standing in the way, according to SEC head Gary Gensler. Suddenly, it appears that every single government agency has changed its stance and is now somewhat in favor of cryptocurrency. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has successfully advocated legislation that is conducive to the Bitcoin industry. Some Orwellian regulations have even been reversed by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. For instance, the IRS used to mandate the recording of every Bitcoin transaction exceeding $10,000. They withdrew it after coming to terms with how illogical it was. The size of this industry is finally beginning to sink in for a number of US government agencies, aside from the SSC. In my opinion, we should be able to clear this last hurdle really easily, and the future of cryptocurrencies will soon seem bright. No matter who wins the election, I do not think Chairman Gensler will remain at the SEC. In my opinion, he is aiming for a political appointment. Because of that, he might depart. No matter who the Republican nominee is, Joe Biden will support them whether he runs or not. It is my assumption that Kathy would be forthright. Hopefully, we won't have to communicate with Gary Gensler anymore in a year or two. Gary Gensler may look for work elsewhere if the current government remains in power, or he may leave with the following administration. Guys, Gary Gensler looks completely drunk after his stint at the SAIC. He's so unpopular that not even his own party members like him. He won't be here for much longer, in my opinion. All things considered, hearing someone as well connected as Kathy Woods openly support our long-standing views is encouraging. Because this is so exciting. Allow me to swiftly address the automated market maker before we move on to discussing the XRP price in 2024. We XRP holders haven't seen any use for our RP in a while, and our XRP hasn't brought in any money either. In our wallet, it's merely gathering dust. However, that will undergo a significant transformation upon incorporation of automated market makers into the XRP ledger. It seemed like automated market makers wouldn't be available until mid-2024 at the earliest. The availability of automated market makers has been postponed until mid-2024, according to previous speculation. However, the number of people casting ballots has been on the rise recently. Just 5 more votes are needed to approve the XRP ledger's autonomous market maker. In this video, nevertheless, I felt compelled to inform you that 5 of the present no voters have already promised to flip to yes. I do believe that their opposition to the automated market maker has disappeared. From what I can tell, February is probably when you can expect to be able to use the automated market maker. This is really thrilling. In my opinion, this will lead to an influx of new project developers for the XRP ledger. Finally, we will have a way to make money and DeFi with our XRP, in addition to all these other uses, and when we lend it out. No, this is on top of the forthcoming FX and Flare networks, everyone. A lot of people's ideas for when they want to cash out will alter because of all the new ways we can make money with XRP after RP is released. That being said, I think XRP has a decent shot at breaking the $10,100 or $150 barrier in the next years. Keeping it in your wallet and collecting yield is a better option than selling it. In order to forestall the sale, the potential for long-term passive income is there in any investment. Allow me to present you with an idea. I felt it would be helpful to let you know that the automated market maker is expected to pass in February. This is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to try it out and see how it affects the XRP ledger in the future. Changing the subject, I'd like to tell you what I think the price of XRP will be in 2024 along with the market for cryptocurrencies in general. The Bitcoin spot ETFs have been the subject of much discussion on the channel. Furthermore, I have faith that they will institutionalize this business and inject it with much-needed money. For this to come to fruition, though, a few more things must take place. First and foremost, the macroeconomic climate needs to be improved. From what we can gather, it appears that excessive inflation almost caused the Federal Reserve to crash the market a year ago. Inflation is falling, according to the data, which is important for getting people to cut back on their spending. This particular figure indicates that inflation has nearly returned to its pre-epidemic levels. When the Federal Reserve figures out how much inflation has fallen over the last year, they will finally be able to loosen their control over the economy and allow money to flow freely again. This was the real reason why the market did so poorly last year. Since inflation is no longer an issue, the Federal Reserve may ease the restrictions it imposed on the markets and economic growth. While the price of Bitcoin has been moving, there has been generally little change, which is another point I wanted to make. Even though there was a price increase at the beginning of the year, that proves that there is still a considerable distance to go. So far, no one has taken any action. For those who are asking why XRP hasn't popped yet, I believe this is the key to understanding why it isn't surging right now. Instead of having begun its bull run just yet, the Bitcoin market appears to be prepping for some big movements right now. We can observe that these prices are moving in an exponential manner. Since XRP is seldom the first to do anything, I don't see any reason for concern over its current lack of activity. I could go on and on about how I believe XRP is about to have a tremendous surge in value, but I'd rather not. Nearly all charts show that XRP is now heading upwards. Here is a chart to serve as a starting point for you. There has been this pattern of symmetrical triangles for quite some time. We can see that XRP bounced off this bottom support without any issues. It is reassuring to know that XRP did not escape from this gadget and that you can watch it steadily climb to the support while, ideally, applying some pressure. I will explain it in detail to show how ridiculous this is. Permit me to zoom in on the chart in TradingView so that I can concentrate. With the bottom support destroyed, our next objective is the upper end of this range, where we anticipate XRP will likely restart its upward trend. I think XRP's price might go up at any second now that we're in this circumstance. Like I said before, the Bitcoin market is going to blow up. With the cryptocurrency market picking more steam, XRP will undoubtedly find support and begin attempting a comeback. I also have another chart that connects this fractal to previous market cycles. I believe you would find it interesting. We hope that the flaws in this less than ideal photo are still visible to you. Everything is exactly as it was during the 10,000 run on XRP before, as you can see. Just as in the prior chart, XRP would bounce off this yellow zone if it made a substantial breakout from this support level. Here you may find the last wick of XRP. From my point of view, it seems like XRP is set up for a major market rise in 2024. There needs to be a huge reinvestment of capital into the cryptocurrency industry, according to macroeconomic data. Bitcoin spotting, a sneak peek. There is no mistaking the XRP token. 2024 is shaping up to be a banner year for cryptocurrency, what with the Bitcoin having on the horizon and Gary Gensler's exit from the CC. I am overjoyed since everything is ideal in every sense. Case, having you here means a great deal. If you could just like and subscribe to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Goodbye for now.